Those days when we started and I started traveling, I didn't used to wear all these kinds of things. I would just wear a polo and a jean and my palm, just flying. And you see the people waiting at the airport for the great man of God, whose message they have listened to, largely audio. So most of them have not seen me. Usually a few people will recommend to the church, you need to bring this man of God. Then I come down from the plane and they're looking at me. They're wondering, is it my protocol? Is it this? And when they see me, you can see the shock and the disappointment. I mean, this is what we've been waiting for. And then I greet them sometimes and they're like, okay, that's the car, please enter and let's go. It's not my fault. God put the grace in me. Hallelujah. And then usually after the meeting, they are now saying, sir, when again are you going to be, when will you be free? It's such a privilege. And I'm saying, look at the same people. Let me tell you the truth. When you know who you are, you don't need to waste time telling people who you are. If you find yourself always trying to say who you are, it is a mechanism to manage your not knowing who you are. Does a lion tell you it's a lion? Lions roar and it stops there. An eagle does not need to tell you I'm an eagle. Keep watching the sky. Sooner or later, you will see that there is only one bird that is soaring with such level of mastery. That bird is not called a pigeon, it's called an eagle. Are we together? The pressure to try to prove a point is something that must die permanently. If anybody thinks you are a failure, forgive their ignorance while they learn. And if they insist that you are a failure, leave them with God, the one who called you to make you successful. If a gentleman looks at you and says you are not fine enough, thank God, because you would have married the wrong person. Let him carry his trouble and go. Are we together now? Did you hear what I'm saying? And if some lady tells you that she wants somebody with all the money in the world, bless God for her. And thank God for the one who will see you while you are rising, so that you will not have any fear when you rise. My dear people, hear me. There is more within you than you will ever imagine. There is more within you.